It starts quietly. While the motocross world shouts about flashy horsepower numbers and bold new tech, Suzuki makes its move, calm, calculated, and confident. The 2025 RM-Z250 isn't here to make noise. It's here to win battles where they count most, in ruts, in corners, under pressure, and under real riders. Welcome back to Acer Rider, and today we're giving you a full-throttle, deep-dive look into the most underrated yet upgraded motocross machine of the year. This isn't a sales pitch. This is an honest look at why the 2025 RM-Z250 might just be your smartest weapon on the track. And trust me, stick around. There's something at the end of this video that every Suzuki fan will want to hear. Let's begin with the heart of the machine. The engine remains a 249 Kohler centiseter liquid-cooled, dual overhead cam 4-stroke single. On paper, it looks familiar, almost unchanged. But beneath the surface, there's real refinement. Suzuki has taken feedback from racers, test riders, and tuners, and tweaked the torque curve for more mid-range grunt and smoother throttle control. A revised piston and camshaft configuration, combined with recalibrated EFI tuning, offers quicker response and better pull in real-world race conditions. This isn't peak horsepower chasing, it's usable, accessible power, and that's what wins motos when fatigue kicks in and traction fades. Now, let's talk about handling, the RM-Z's secret weapon. The 2025 RM-Z250 continues to be one of the best cornering bikes in its class. Suzuki didn't fix what wasn't broken. Instead, they enhanced the already razor-sharp chassis, introducing slightly revised frame rigidity and a more responsive front-end feel. The Showa suspension system, both the 49mm coil spring fork and the balance-free rear cushion shock, have been revalved and refined. Bottoming resistance is improved. The bike stays more composed in braking bumps, and high-speed stability, it's noticeably more locked in than last year's model. Together, these upgrades don't scream at you, they respond to you. Through corners, berms, tight switchbacks, the RM-Z250 feels like an extension of your own body. And then there's the electronics, subtle but smart. Suzuki's Whole Shot Assist Control, or S-Hack, returns for 2025. 3 selectable launch modes help you get better starts in different conditions: slippery dirt, hard pack, or tacky loam. It's simple, effective, and doesn't get in your way when you're actually riding. Traction control also makes a quiet return, still one of the only 250 4-strokes in the class to offer it. It's not aggressive or artificial. It's subtle enough that most riders won't even know it's working, until they realize they've kept control where others spun out. This is the Suzuki way. No flashy claims, just silent evolution. Visually, the 2025 RM-Z250 stays true to its roots, but it looks sharper than ever. The iconic champion yellow is brighter, bolder, and now paired with blacked-out rims, a re-sculpted front fender, and new shroud graphics inspired by Suzuki's GP and MXGP liveries. The bodywork is slimmer, ergonomics are refined, and the seating position feels more centered, perfect for aggressive riding and quick transitions between standing and seated attack positions. Sure, it still doesn't have electric start, and for some riders, that's a deal-breaker. But Suzuki has trimmed weight elsewhere, giving the RM-Z250 a nimble, flickable feel that's addictive once you dial it in. So, who is this bike really for? Not the spec sheet chasers, not the weekend warriors who just want the newest toy. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 is built for the rider who knows how to work a corner, who understands that tech doesn't replace talent, and who wants a bike that lets them shine, not just the logo on the side. It's for privateers, it's for underdogs, it's for those who race with grit, not just gear. And if you're someone who wants true performance with long-term reliability, the RM-Z250 still delivers more value per dollar than almost anything else in the class. Now, let's talk availability. The 2025 RM-Z250 will hit dealerships across the US this fall, with a price tag that undercuts most of the competition, by hundreds in some cases. Suzuki continues to offer race-ready performance with privateer-level affordability, making this bike one of the most practical options for serious racers on a budget. It also pairs beautifully with Suzuki's growing catalog of race kits, including Yoshimura exhausts, tuned ECUs, and full factory graphics sets. But now, as promised, here comes the surprise. To celebrate the release of the 2025 RM-Z250, Acer Rider is giving away an exclusive RM-Z gear bundle, including a limited edition RM-Z250 jersey, custom gloves, and a trackside-ready gear backpack. To enter, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to Acer Rider, and drop a comment below telling us what Suzuki means to you, whether it's your first ride, a memory on the trail, or a race day story you'll never forget. The winner will be announced in our next video, and it could be you. So there you have it. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z250 isn't here to chase trends. It's here to do what Suzuki has always done: deliver performance that lasts, handling that dominates, and a price that makes sense. In a world of distractions, hype, and overcomplication, sometimes the smartest move is to keep things simple and ride the machine that's built for racers, not just Instagram. Thanks for joining us here on Acer Rider. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and always respect the ride.